by the engineer.
Welcome. So today I'm going to just do a quick tip on song structure. Now, a normal song on the radio will last between, let's say, 3 minutes 30 to 4 minutes on average. So this is going to be a quick video on how to structure out and lay out your songs. This is kind of taking the approach of it being sort of a hip hop kind of upbeat, up-tempo song. So you'll start off with something called an introduction or intro. Now this is just to basically invite or lead the audience up into the song. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make this bigger. And we're going to say that the intro will last 4 to 8 bars. Now when I say 4 to 8 bars, I mean 1 bar will be 4 beats, so you're counting 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's 1 bar. So when I say 4 to 8 bars, I'm saying 4 to 8 lots of those 1, 2, 3, 4 beats. So I'm using a keyboard shortcut on Windows, pressing Alt-T, so I can put a marker in, and I'm going to call it intro. And I'm going to place that, like I said, 4 to 8 bars, so I'm going to place it 8 bars at 8 bars. At the end of 8 bars. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bars. So you have an introduction that lasts 8 bars long. Actually, let's leave it at the beginning, and the next part will start at the 9th bar. Next part you have is the verse. Usually, sometimes you go straight into the chorus, but usually you go into the verse. Now, verse is sort of like a story part, of how the story of the song begins, the point of view of the artist. And this usually lasts about 16 bars. So 16 bars will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah. So we'll finish here. Then you'll do your next part, which is usually the chorus. Chorus, I would say, last 8 bars. So let's just quickly go back. You have your intro, 8 bars. So I say it could be 4 to 8 bars. Then you have your verse, which is usually 16. Sometimes you can go up to 24 depending on the song. And then you have your chorus, which is most likely 8 bars. So you have all 3 of those elements into the song. Then usually what would happen is you would repeat the verse again, then the chorus, and then the verse again, and the chorus. Then you have something that's called an outro. So let's just quickly just add those parts in. 8 bars here, 2, 4, 6, 8. So you have your verse here. You have verse 2, let's say. And then you have your verse here. Chorus here, sorry. Yeah, chorus. Then you have a verse again. Final verse. And just to add on, when you have these elements, you can split these up into different sections if you want. Because sometimes you have a pre-chorus in a song. Sometimes you have a little break point. But this is just sort of the basic breakdown of how you would just do a song structure. You have the verse here, 2, 4, 8, 8, and then you have chorus here. Like I said, you repeat this section twice more, which I have done here, and then you have something called an outro. which I'll put here. Now the outro is basically the ending of the song to kind of say bye to listeners, sort of bring an upbeat sort of part of the song and bring it down and sort of just fade the song out. So it's like kind of a nice ending to a song, and this would usually last. Sometimes people usually just put the chorus again and just take out some elements of the chorus to kind of just lead out to the song. Or sometimes some people have literally a whole different section of the song, so they might take the intro again and just make it the outro. So like I said, this section here, the outro could be between 4 to 8 bars. So now, just to quickly give your idea of what it will be like, let's go open up this and let's just write it out. So you have the intro, which is 4 to 8 bars. Then you have your verse, which could be 8 to 24 bars. Then you have your chorus, which could be, or let's say 8, I mean 6, well, it could be 8 to 24 bars, let's leave it at that. It could be 8 bars, you could say this could be 8 to 12 bars, depending on the type of song. And then you have the outro, which can be between 4 to 8 bars. Now this can be confusing if you don't really understand, what type of genre you're doing. So as long as you know what type of genre you're doing, these bars and the time lengths of each section should be understandable. So you have your intro, your verse, your chorus, repeat of your verse, your chorus, then twice, and then you usually have your outro. And these are sort of a guideline of the lengths that it should be. I hope this helped. Comment below. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more. It's easy. Just hit those buttons underneath this video. Follow me on my social media pages. All links are in the description below.